In this video, we will be looking at how to solve for slope using the slope formula. Just a reminder, the slope formula is the change in y's over the change in x's. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is label my first set of ordered pairs with my x1 and y1, which are the first ordered pair, and then my x2, y2, which is the second ordered pair. Now I'm ready to plug these into my slope formula. Y2 minus y1 is going to be negative 9 minus negative 18. This is a common mistake that students will make when they forget to do minus negative 18. Make sure you include that. My x2 minus x1 will be 3 minus negative 7. Now I'm ready to solve. Negative 9 minus negative 18 is actually the same thing as negative 9 plus 18. So we would get 9. And 3 minus negative 7 would give us 3 plus positive 7, which is equal to 10. So my slope for the first example is 9 over 10. I'm going to do the same thing for number 2. Now that I have my x1, y1, and my x2, y2s all labeled, let's go ahead and plug those in. Y2 minus y1 will be negative 19 minus negative 4. Again, showing the minus and the negative 4 is important. And then my x2, y2 is going to be negative 6 minus negative 12. Let's go ahead and solve. Negative 19 minus negative 4 is actually negative 19 plus positive 4, and that's going to give us negative 15. Negative 6 minus negative 12 means negative 6 plus positive 12, so that's going to give us a positive 6. Now let's go ahead and simplify to get our final result. 15 and 6 both can be simplified by 3. So when I divide both the top number by 3 and the bottom number by 3, my final result will be negative 5 over 2. Let's go ahead and solve the last one, again labeling our x1, y1, x2, y2, and plugging it in. Now that I have my x1, y1, and my x2, y2 labeled, let's go ahead and use the formula to solve for slope. Y2 minus y1 will be 9 minus negative 8 over the x2 minus x1 will be negative 17 minus 15. 9 minus negative 8 actually means 9 plus positive 8, so that's going to give us 17 for the numerator, or the rise, and negative 17 minus 15 actually means negative 17 plus negative 15, and that'll give us negative 32. So my answer for number 3 is negative 17 over 32.